Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create an online store in Instamojo, an easy method for anyone looking to sell online. First, you'll sign up for a free Instamojo account using your email and phone number. After a quick verification with a one-time password, you can select the free online store option. This simple first step takes just a few minutes, getting you ready to build your digital storefront without any hassle. Now that your basic store is set up, it's time to add your amazing products. Head over to your dashboard and find the products section. Here, you can easily upload clear images, write compelling titles and descriptions, and set your prices. Instamojo supports various product types, from physical goods to digital files and services. You even have the flexibility to offer a fixed price or let customers pay what they want, giving you great control. Making your store visually appealing is crucial for attracting customers. Instamojo allows you to customize your store's look and feel. You can upload your brand logo, a favicon, and a striking cover image. Choose from several beautiful themes and adjust colors and fonts to match your brand identity. Don't forget to add important pages like About Us and Contact Us to build credibility and provide helpful information to your visitors. With your products added and your store looking fantastic, it's time to go live and start selling. Share your store link widely across social media to attract your first customers. Instamojo's dashboard makes managing orders incredibly simple. You can track shipments, update order statuses, and view all transaction details in one place. Use the powerful filtering options to quickly find specific orders, ensuring smooth and efficient operations for your growing online business.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.